Hi, today we're in the bush looking for the elusive kingfisher. There's one over there.
Beautiful. Well, today we're going to try and capture him in paint. In this lesson I'll show you how to make an out of focus background, how to draw the cheats way, and I'll take you through every step of the painting from the tiniest details and individual feathers to fast techniques to create the impression of complex detail, the easy way. By the end of the lesson you'll be able to paint this beautiful kingfisher and have the techniques to use on any other birds. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. So happy painting, let's get started.